made me start to think about, hey, what can I automate and what can I outsource? And what tools that I could automate things could I outsource at the same time? And that's what kind of led me to you. I had looked at some other virtual assistant companies, and one, I liked your model a lot, where it was very transparent. And, in talking with Adam, he did a good job of guiding me where it was my first time with a virtual assistant. It was a new concept where I wasn't right there next to somebody where you could train. And he guided me through kind of what tasks would be the most important. But he rounded up 5 applicants in under a week, and all 5 of them were good. And each of them brought a different skill set. It gave us a clearer business plan on how to use our time effectively. I wish some of my domestic employees had the same level of enthusiasm and skill sets, to tell you the truth. I definitely recommend it. Like I said, the transparency on pricing. I liked the flexibility on the back end. It wasn't, you're locked into a certain amount of time. Of course, you want to use this person for as long as possible. And I hope that they can have a nice career for a very long time, and be part of our family at the end of the day.